How to screen mirror iPhone to iPad. Let's get started. Screen mirroring your iPhone to an iPad allows you to share your iPhone screen with your iPad for presentations, entertainment, or multitasking. Although Apple does not natively support direct AirPlay mirroring between iPhone and iPads, you can still achieve this using third-party apps or specific workarounds. Several apps enable you to mirror your iPhone to your iPad. Popular options include a power mirror, reflector, or your server. Download the app, ensure your iPhone and iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, launch the mirroring app on your iPhone and iPad. On your iPhone, tap Screen Mirroring in the Control Center. Select your iPad from the list of available devices in the app. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be mirrored to your iPad. Next, if you have access to a Mac or PC, you can use QuickTime and third-party software to mirror your iPhone to your iPad. Use a lightning cable to connect your iPhone to computer. On your Mac, open QuickTime Player, then go to File, New Movie Recording, select your iPhone as a video input source. Install a screen sharing app on both the computer and the iPad. Share the Mac or PC screen with your iPad. The iPhone screen will now appear on your iPad via a computer. So, this way you can easily screen mirror iPhone to iPad. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.